What's up guys, Gagacy back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a professional intro like this one for free. So let's get right into it. First of all, go to your favorite browser, in this case I'm using Chrome, then type in Panzoid. Now click on the first link. Then scroll down till you see in creations till you find a one that the best fits you. So I'm gonna try out like this one or this one. Let's go for this one. But you have to dig around and watch a couple of them to get the best one out of it that fits your channel. Okay, I'm just showing you an example. Now what you want to do is to watch the intro. Click on that eye icon and then hit on the play icon. Okay, I like this one, so let's continue in it. If you don't like it, just scroll down and watch another one until you find the best one. Then now go to basics. Hit the video resolution that you want to make it. All my videos is 1920 by 1080, so I leave that one the best. But you can go, if you're lower pixels, go for the lower. It's not gonna make you anything different. So I'm gonna go with 1080p. I'm gonna go with 60 frames per second, and then hit on that block. Scroll down till you see that name with that name, and change it to whatever you want your channel is or your intro that you want. Channel. Okay, just play around with the font, choose another font if you want. I'm gonna go with the bold, and you can also change colors, but I'm not gonna go in that depth. Okay, it's just a simple tutorial and for free. Okay, so you have basically to change everything that's typing by text, change that to your channel name. Okay, so okay, once you're done, hit on that pop icon to add in effects. But I basically don't prefer to add an effect. If you're just gonna go for the easy tutorial, just don't add any effects. Okay, now go to the download button and hit that. If you're really ready for this, your intro, go for good quality or extreme quality. It's gonna be taking long, very long, but I'm just for the sake of the video gonna go with fast render. And then you have to go to another website to convert your file to MP4 to be able to edit it on anything like Camtasia and anyone else. Okay, but Adobe Premiere supports all of them, so you can edit it on Adobe if you're not gonna change the file format. Okay, so it's like MVK. Okay, and you have to change it to MP4. So I'm gonna go with fast render, and I will also fast forward this video. Start by clicking the start render icon. Okay, so now click on download your video and you'll be good to go. Now it's now downloading, and then you have to open a website to convert it from MKV to MP4. Just for watching it. Okay, so yeah, basically that's everything that I have for you guys. I hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this, because I have lots of different tutorials like this one. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.
Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we selling clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just a dough.